Casey, and she Ria, my friend, my anana. She's my baby, and me, my sister, brother, and mom. So family is okay, no problem on family. They're right. Wait a minute. That's my drawing. That's my drawing. But I don't know. That is my new family. It's okay? Okay. And this is my baby. She's my baby. And she is my lovely forever. And this is my mommy. She's sleeping because work is only on sleeping. Oh my god. But I don't know. She is sleeping. Okay. Let's start it. My new episode. My brother and brother. Two brothers for me. One brother, she's at school. And two brother, she's at house. But I don't know what. She's not schooling mabuti. Hindi siya nag-aaral mabuti. Pero, parehas lang naman pala kami. Pero, ang matalino, mas ako. Pero, konti talino lang. Alam ko na hindi ako yun. So, hindi ko pa alam kung sa heaven ako o kaya sa David. Nalilito na ako. Saan kaya ako? Siguro sa David. Kasi ako ay masama na tao. Alam ko naman yung ginagawa ko. Kaya! Katulad niyan. Ang baby ko ang kulit-kulit. Ayaw niyang tumigil. Pero, sabi niya, I love you. Pero ang kulit. Ayaw tumigil. Ayaw tumigil. Gusto niyo pakita ko sa inyo. Pep! Yan. Pep! Ang makulit na bata. Kaya lang, umiiyak siya pag nasasaktan. Totoo naman yun. Pag umiiyak ang baby, nasasaktan. Right? Naku, maaba na pala ang oras. Sige, ingat.